Hello, today I will talk to you about assembling a Colpomaster II Colposcope. You will receive two boxes, one large box that has the base and the stand, and the second box will have the head and the eyepieces. To assemble the stand, take all the pieces out. This is the base, five-legged base. Take the lower portion with the power supply unit attached to it, remove the screw and a mounting plate from the bottom, insert the stand into the base, put it on its side and mount the screw back with the plate back into the base. You will have a set of Allen keys with the colposcope. Use the Allen key to tighten this up. Take this top portion of the stand, insert it, simply slide it in and tighten this up. And slide all the way in to make it easier. Loosen up this screw to bring the mounting portion into the vertical position and tighten back up. Take the illuminator cord, insert it into the power supply unit, and again tighten this up. There is also a handle included with the unit to help you make adjusting angles easier. This goes right here. Just carefully screw this in. Take your time, making sure that it goes into the right angle, like so. In the second box, you will find the head and two eyepieces and the front lens. The front lens, the reducing lens, will be mounted in the front, like this. The eyepieces, loosen up the thumb screws, drop in the eyepieces. There is a dot on each eyepiece that needs to be aligned with the mounting screw, and tighten it up. And again, take the eyepiece, drop it into the eye tube, tighten it up. All you have to do now is loosen up the mounting screw on the holding ring, carefully insert the colposcope in, tighten it up, and the third one. And now the assembly of the Colpomaster II is complete. All you need to do is get the power cord, plug it in, and you're ready to work.